So here's another example of a unique review game from Miss Ledford from the high school level. So go ahead and see her unique take on this review game called Tour the Room.
So what we're going to be doing a review activity today. And in a moment, I will let you move yourself to the breakout room. So this is how it works. Now make sure you guys are paying attention because this can kind of get a little confusing if you don't know the rules. There are 10 different breakout rooms. You can go to any breakout room you want to start with. In each of these breakout rooms, you're going to see that there is one question waiting for you. You're going to answer that question on your own sheet of paper. It's not marked on the, actually, I don't even think I have your whiteboard tools open. So do not mark on the actual whiteboard yourself, but go ahead and keep a tracker A, B, C, D on your own sheet of paper or on a Word document if you want to. So as you answer the questions, it's going to tell you what room to go to next. So for example, I'll show you one example before we begin. Let's pretend that we all start in room 1. Let me go to room 1 very quickly. There we go. Let's pretend that we start at room 1. Room 1 is going to say which of the following is least likely to determine credit worthiness. Now, based on your answer, it's going to tell you to go to a different room. So here's the deal. If you end up repeating a room, that means that you got a question wrong somewhere and you've got to go back and figure it out. If you are able to make it through all 10 questions, that means that you got all of them right and you're good to go. So I will let you guys move yourselves around the room in just a moment. I want you to refrain from telling anyone else the questions or the answers. So don't type the answers in the chat box. Don't tell anyone. It's kind of a race to see who can get through all of them first. So how you move yourself. All you have to do is click on that main room and decide what room you want to go to next. So if you started on question 1 and it said, okay, you said the answer was B and it says go to room number 4, all you have to do is drop down and move yourself to room number 4. Are there any questions before I open it up and you guys can start moving yourself around? There are 10 questions.
So I thought that was a really unique review game.